Hello, my name is Simone. I am the owner of Beauty Built, and I wanted to come out here and say hi. We have some new followers, and it's been a while since I don't record any videos for YouTube. So, a little bit about my story. I've been in the industry since 2015. I was in corporate America prior to it. And my goal is to assist professionals in obtaining their licenses, their tattoo license, establishment license, biomedical waste permit, assist them in getting their licenses or opening their new businesses. At the moment, since after the pandemic, we're not hosting and organizing any events in the beauty industry. We used to have PMU, tattoo removal, eyebrow design classes, but at the moment those are on hold for obvious reasons, of course. But we offer great products for PMU and tattooing artists in our online store, beautybuilt.com. We work with Glamcore, Color Source, Hot Medical, Bondtech machines and needles, accessories, and etc. And if there is anything I can do to assist you in this industry, please let me know. It will be my pleasure. I think that we are here to help each other. I need you, you need me, I assist you, you assist me, and that's how the world goes. I do believe in that. I think this is a great industry that is growing exponentially. It doesn't stop growing. There's always something new. And now we're getting so many more technological products, like the pigments have improved so much, the needles, the machines. It's making our life so much easier. And with this new, this new trend, this new movement of making things as natural as possible, things are rapidly shifting, right? The pigments, the blades, the needles, everything is shifting so rapidly. So there's so many new things in the market. So I am here to serve, and I thank you for your follow. If you are an existing client, I thank you for that as well. And please let me know how I can serve you. I am here to help you. Thank you.